Welcome to our journey across the globe. Today we're exploring the top 5 most beautiful countries in the world. From breathtaking landscapes to rich cultural heritage, these destinations are a feast for the eyes and the soul. Let's dive in. 5. New Zealand. Starting off our list is New Zealand, a paradise for nature lovers. This country boasts stunning fjords, dramatic mountain ranges like the Southern Alps, and vibrant green pastures. It's no wonder filmmakers chose it as the backdrop for Middle-earth in The Lord of the Rings. Whether you're hiking in Fiordland National Park or exploring glowworm caves, New Zealand never ceases to amaze. 4. Italy. Next up is Italy, a country where history, art, and natural beauty blend seamlessly. From the romantic canals of Venice to the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, every corner of Italy is picture-perfect. Don't forget the rolling vineyards of Tuscany and the ancient ruins of Rome. And let's not overlook the culinary delights, because in Italy, beauty is also found on your plate. 3. Iceland. At number 3, we have Iceland, a land of fire and ice. Known for its otherworldly landscapes, Iceland offers mesmerizing waterfalls like Gullfoss, the blue lagoons, soothing geothermal waters, and the surreal beauty of the Northern Lights. It's a dream destination for adventurers and photographers alike. 2. Japan. In the second spot is Japan, a country where tradition meets modernity. During spring, the cherry blossoms create a magical pink wonderland, while Mount Fuji provides a majestic backdrop. Japan's vibrant cities like Tokyo and Kyoto are rich in culture, technology, and history. Whether you're exploring ancient temples or neon-lit streets, Japan is a sensory delight. 1. Switzerland. And at number 1 is Switzerland, the epitome of natural beauty. With its pristine lakes, towering Alps, and charming villages, Switzerland feels like stepping into a postcard. Whether you're skiing in Zermatt, hiking in the Jungfrau region, or simply enjoying Swiss chocolate by a tranquil lake, this country is pure perfection. Narrator, these are just 5 of the most beautiful countries in the world, but there's so much more to explore. What's your dream destination? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy traveling.